Hello everyone, and welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. Today, we will learn how to combine videos on your iPhone so you can merge multiple clips into a single video using a simple editing app. To do this, you will need a third-party app. Go to the App Store and install the mobile app CapCut if you do not already have it on your iPhone. So, let's get started. Open the CapCut app and tap on New Project. Now, select the two video clips that you want to combine. Once both clips are selected, tap Add to import them into the editing timeline. CapCut will automatically place the two clips one after another, creating a single continuous video. You can preview the combined video by tapping the play button. Before continuing, take a moment to subscribe to the DelfStack channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful iPhone tutorials like this. If needed, you can drag the clips to change their order. Once you are happy with the arrangement, tap the Export button in the top right corner of the screen. Wait for the export process to finish and the combined video will be saved to your iPhone. That's it. You have successfully learned how to combine videos on your iPhone using CapCut. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to check out more quick guides like this.